His claws are hooked into the thick, leathery hide of a full-grown warthog. Suddenly, the ground trembles. The intruder retreats into the tall grass, leaving the leopard in a state of stunned confusion. But the hunger is too great. He returns to the hole, redoubling his efforts to drag the original prize from the shadows. Watching from the periphery, the second warthog sees the renewed struggle of its companion. The leopard hauls with every ounce of his being. Exploding into a blur of raw power, the warthog closes the distance with terrifying velocity. With a violent heave, she hauls the stunned predator out from the safety of the dark den. The dust erupts as the leopard locks its jaws onto the second warthog's shoulder. A desperate attempt to salvage a hunt gone wrong. This is no longer a silent ambush, but a raw display of power. The young predator, driven by an instinctive hunger, refuses to let go of this new, unexpected target. To let go is to fail. To hold on is to risk injury. Just as the leopard seems to gain the upper hand, the hidden warthog finally explodes from the darkness of the hole. He charges with a fury that ignores all survival instincts. Now, the tables have truly turned. The young cat is caught in a pincer movement, facing two full-grown adults who are bonded by the desperate need to protect one another. They do not run. They stand their ground, lowering their heads to present a formidable array of curved, razor-sharp tusks. The leopard, though outmatched, is a creature of immense courage. He pounces, aiming for the throat of the first, but the second immediately lunges, its tusks grazing the leopard's flank. This cycle repeats with exhausting regularity. Every time the cat attempts to isolate one pig, the other retaliates with a bone-jarring strike. It is a chaotic, spinning whirlpool of grit and snarling. The warthogs are relentless, their bellows of defiance echoing across the plains. They act as a single unit, a wall of muscle and tusk that the leopard simply cannot breach. The predator's confidence begins to fray, replaced by the grim realization that this meal will cost more than he can afford to pay in blood and energy. Turning his back on the prize, he ignites his muscles, transforming into a blur of black and gold. He flees with every ounce of speed his species is famous for. They drive the defeated predator far across the sun-scorched horizon. The leopard settles in the shade, his belly empty and his pride wounded. He has learned a bitter truth of the wild.